If your shared design in Canva isn't updating in real time, like changes aren't syncing or collaborators can't see edits, yeah, let's fix that quickly. First, make sure everyone has a stable internet connection. Real-time sync depends on a strong connection. Quick fix, refresh the page. This forces Canva to sync the latest changes. Make sure everyone is editing the exact same design. Duplicate files won't sync changes. Verify access settings. Everyone should have edit access, not just view. Canva doesn't sync properly offline. Reconnect to update changes instantly. Cached data can block updates. Clear cache and reload Canva. Use a compatible browser. Outdated browsers can cause sync delays. Refresh your session. Logging out and back in can fix account sync issues. If syncing still fails, duplicate the design, then share the new file and continue editing. So, check your connection, refresh the file, confirm permissions, and avoid duplicates. That's how you fix Canva real-time sync issues fast.